If you've used a Windows trackpad, you know the pain. Lag, missed gestures, and clicks that never feel right. That all changes today. This is the HyperSpace Trackpad Pro, the first premium trackpad built for Windows. With zero latency responsiveness, independent finger pressure detection, and contextual haptics, every movement feels precise. Deep Click lets you press harder with 1, 2, or 3 fingers to trigger custom shortcuts, all fully adjustable to your workflow. In Microsoft Office, it natively adapts to your work environment and gives you immediate access to the commands and shortcuts you use the most across every application. For designers, it brings fingertip precision to your workflow by letting you navigate, edit, and format instantly so your ideas flow without friction. Hydra Connect makes adjusting your shortcuts quick and easy, and full Premiere Pro compatibility gives you endless options to streamline your editing workflow. Powered by advanced haptics and a force-sensing matrix, the HyperSpace Trackpad Pro is more than a trackpad. Dynamic action zones automatically switch based on the app you're in, while contextual haptics guide you as you scroll and make a deep click feel completely different from a regular press. The result is a trackpad that feels intelligent, tactile, and built around the way you work. This is the Windows trackpad we have been waiting for. Get the HyperSpace Trackpad Pro today, the world's most advanced trackpad for Windows.